Hi guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can make pictures move in Premiere Pro. So first step you simply need to do is to open video and any image in Premiere Pro. Here you can see that I shall edit this arrow image and now I want to move this image, so I'm going to drag it here. So now I'm going to add movement in this. So first step, let's suppose I want to add this from here. So this is a basic position and I want to drag it to here. So let me add first keyframe here. You simply need to click here and now you can see that first keyframe is added. Then you need to move here like this, and after that you need to move arrow into the, let me move into the forward direction. Okay, next keyframe is added here as you can see, and now I want to move it to the last on to the end keyframe, so I need to move it here. So now let me show you. Here you can see that. So this is the process by which you can easily make pictures move in Premiere Pro. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.